Prototype number 6. The robot astronaut from GITAI will work in space stations for 1/10 of the cost. It is remote controlled via internet and could replace the work of astronauts in commercial space stations, such as space hotels, or scientific experiment stations. Currently, astronauts can only work in space for about 3 months on a single stay, because of safety risks such as cosmic radiation. Water and food are also difficult to provide in space.
To prepare the spinach, you just attach it to the water distributor, choose the right quantity, and push the button.
Frequent rocket launching drastically increased the costs of maintaining space stations. Demand for work in space has skyrocketed in recent years, with the intensification of space development. GITAI aims to reduce the cost to 1/10 by introducing a robot that can work on site for a long time, on behalf of an astronaut. Headquartered in San Francisco, GITAI Inc. also has a Japanese branch in Meguro-ku, Tokyo. The company has been selected as one of the 10 finalists qualified to pitch at Google Demo Day Asia, held on September 20, 2018, in Shanghai.